100,000 miles. This is when most Silverado engines start dying. Not because they're bad, because owners skip one critical checklist. Hit subscribe right now. This will save you thousands. The difference between a Silverado that dies at 120,000 and one that hits 300,000? 5 critical services at the 100,000 mile mark. Skip even one, you're looking at $6,000 in repairs within 20,000 miles. Don't be that owner. Critical Service 1. Complete transmission flush and filter. At 100,000 miles, your fluid is contaminated with metal shavings and carbon. This destroys your transmission. Skip it? Slipping starts at 110,000. Complete failure at 130,000. Repair cost? $4,000. Service cost? $300 to $500. Do it exactly at 100,000 miles. This adds 100,000 miles to your transmission. Critical 2. Coolant system flush and new thermostat. Your coolant is acidic at 100,000. It's eating your radiator and water pump. Skip it? Water pump fails at 120,000. Engine overheats, head gaskets blow. Total damage? $3,000 to $6,000. Service cost? $250 to $400 for flush, thermostat, and pressure test. Replace the thermostat even if working. It's $40 and prevents overheating catastrophe. Hit that like button and drop your mileage in the comments. Critical 3. Spark plugs, ignition coils, PCV valve. Worn plugs cause misfires. Misfires melt catalytic converters. Skip it? Check engine light. Poor fuel economy, then $2,000 in catalytic converter repairs. Service cost? $270 for plugs, coils, and PCV. This also prevents AFM lifter failures. Clean combustion means less lifter stress. Cheapest insurance ever. Critical 4. Differential fluid change. Skip it? Differential failure at 150,000. $3,000 repair. Service cost? $120. Critical 5. Fuel system cleaning and filter. Skip it? Injector failure, fuel pump damage, engine knock. Service cost? $150. Together, $270 to prevent $6,000 in repairs. Total for all 5 services, $1,200 to $1,600. Avoided costs? $4,000 transmission, $3,000 cooling, $2,000 catalytic converters, $3,000 differential. Total saved? $12,000 minimum. Spend $1,500 to save $12,000. Screenshot this checklist. Share it with every Silverado owner. What's your mileage? Drop it below. Under 100,000? You have time to plan. If this saved you thousands, smash that like. Subscribe and hit the bell. Every video saves you money. Your Silverado will thank you at 300,000 miles.